Hi there. Today I'm going to be showing you a couple of idiot-proof ways to record your acoustic guitar at home. But first, some channel news. What I've done now is set up a second channel, and that channel is more focused on the playing side of things and being a musician. This will allow me to cover a bit more ground between the two channels. So, going forward, this channel will be more focused on the recording and mixing side of things, while the other one, as mentioned, is more on the playing side. This also includes my original songs and stuff like that. I'll be leaving a link to the new channel in the description, so you can head over there once you're done watching this one, and have a look. Now, when recording guitar at home, one tip in particular that's crucial to how you're going to mic the guitar up and what mic to use, and that is determining what role the guitar is going to have in your mix. The first approach I'll be going through here is using a large diaphragm condenser. In this case, the one I'm speaking through at the moment, the Warm Audio WA87, which is a clone of a Neumann U87. This is a great mic that works on pretty much any sound source. The large diaphragm condensers are great when you have a pretty sparse arrangement and you need a full sound. Quite often we're just doing one or two takes. The placement is a tried and true one which many people use. You place it in front of the guitar, aimed at roughly where the neck meets the body, at about the 12th to 14th fret. The distance determines how much you get of the attack. And to get a fuller sound, you pull it back a bit. In general, with miking acoustic guitars, I really recommend you keep at least a foot away from the guitar. That way you avoid excessive proximity effect, as well as taming the higher frequency a bit. And here's an example of how that will sound. And now the other approach that I frequently use is using a small diaphragm condenser. And for this example I'm going to be using an Oktava MC012, which is an inexpensive small diaphragm that many people have and use. And the great thing with small diaphragm condensers is they have a natural roll-off in the lower frequencies. So they're very cool for when you need several takes in a very dense rock mix, as one example. When 90% of the sound in a mix is down to choosing the right mic and the placement. Depending on how much attack you want in the signal, one cool trick you can do is mic the lower horn on the guitar. And again, to control the high-end attack, as well as the low end, I really do recommend not getting too close to the guitar. But obviously there's a trade-off between that and the noise issues you may have where you record. So take some time and find a happy medium there. Here's an example using the small diaphragm condenser. And for these recordings, I've been using a Heritage 1073 preamp. I often use EQ and compression going in as well, but I've bypassed those for this demonstration. If you like the sort of videos I do, please do consider subscribing. Click that bell so you get notified when I have new videos up. And do visit my new second channel for music and guitar lessons and general music discussion and things like that. Until next time, have a great one.